Hi, this is Max. Let's just get right into it today. So, I don't know if anyone has noticed, but there's a pretty glaring omission from the data that I'm recording. Where are the RPMs? It seems like I should probably be recording that. And I do have an optical tachometer, but I have to remember to use it for each test. And to be frank, I don't have the best short-term memory. The other thing that's been missing from my videos recently is Peter. And that's because he's exhausting to be around. I think maybe I've got a solution for both of those things. But before we go any further, we need to test a prototype. I don't want to spend too much time if the concept just doesn't work. Now, this is pretty advanced stuff. If it works, it's basically free energy here. If we take the output of the generator and we plug it directly into the input of this BLDC motor, the energy produced by the wind turbine should turn this motor. Heck yeah, free energy generator. Try to rectify this electro boom. Anyways, now we need a visual indicator that we can use to estimate RPM. And turn it back on. I thought that would work for sure. Maybe if I slap him. Ha! Yes! A Peter go-round. I mean a tachometer. What you say? Like and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.